This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Python and Jupyter. Now get into action. First, install Pandas and any drivers with pip or conda so imports work. Then open your notebook and confirm the kernel and working directory with %pwd and %ls to avoid path errors. Next, create a new notebook cell and import essential libraries like Pandas as PD and OS. Once done, check versions using PD version so you know which features are available before you load real data. Now you load your data, choosing the right reader for the format. For CSV, use PD. Read CSV with parse dates and dtype hints to preserve types and speed up parsing. For large CSVs, add chunk size or use low memory equals false. For Excel, pick sheet name or engine to avoid engine errors. For JSON, Parquet, or databases, use Pandas read JSON/read Parquet/read SQL with proper connection strings and credentials. Make sure to preview with head. And finish by cleaning and saving your imported data so you can reproduce results. Use info, describe, and value counts to find bad types or unexpected nulls, then cast dtypes explicitly and handle missing values with dropna or fillna depending on context. Once clean, save a copy with df, to CSV or df, to Parquet and commit the notebook. If things go wrong, check the working directory, file permissions, and kernel restarts first. These fix most path, permission, and memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.